Wait.
Thank you, Mitch Dillon Google.
Push another button. Push it again. Oh, that sounded like Mugs. Is there any others? Is that it?
You'd like, I might hear Mug.
Thank you, Jill. Thank you for sending it so we didn't have to listen to it in the car all the way home from Bully Q. Talk to you soon. We love you. Bye.